Engineered with ultra-safe LFP, protected against rain or shine. Power your home, charge your car, all with zero noise and zero waste. From homes to stores, scale your energy as you grow. Reliable power storage solution tailored for offices, shops, farms, and light industrial facilities. Instant protection, instant recovery. Your power never flickers. From homes to stores, scale your energy as you grow. A decade of worry-free energy, backed by our promise.